That's it. I am ready for this video. Are you ready? Because I'm ready. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Anastasia. Welcome everybody. We're still continuing working on our Christmas themed balloon garlands. This video is sponsored by Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Thank you so much for sponsoring this idea of mine. I highly suggest to go check their website out. Selection of balloons, colors, just mind-blowing. Go check them out. You will find orbs balloons, foiled balloons, latex balloons, in pearl, in chrome, any size imaginable right there on their website. I will link them down below. Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company did send me a balloon inflator. I cannot be more happier with this inflator, you guys. It is on the pricier side, but if you are in the business of balloons or you're making balloon garlands so often, I would suggest to invest in a good inflator. Well, this one that they sent me is just that. I will never go back to my old one. It's much easier to work with. It's not as loud, and I just enjoy working with it. Also, the best adhesive glue dots are from Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company. Honestly, they are very sticky, very strong hold, and yeah, I highly suggest to go check their adhesive glue dots as well. You won't regret it. If you'll ever decide to purchase anything from their website, you can always use my code Anastasia10. You don't have to, for 10% off at checkout. It's always good to save something, right? Without any further ado, you guys, let's jump into this video, and I'm excited to see what I'm gonna come up with. Let's quickly go over everything that I have laid out over here. Let's start with our balloons. I am working with pearl balloons today. Burgundy color 11-inch balloons, emerald green 11-inch balloons, and emerald green 5-inch balloons. These white berries, I love them so much. They are so pretty. They came from At Home store. I paid $2.99 per stem, and I believe I have 20 stems over here. You won't need 20 stems unless you want to use 20 stems for your balloon garland. I bought these berries specifically for my Christmas tree to decorate, and before my tree is gonna go up, I want to use them in my balloon garland. These red berries, I bought them at Walmart. Walmart does have two varieties of berries. They have larger size berries and smaller size berries. I went with my larger size berries because they will show up better in my Christmas tree than smaller size berries. And I paid $3.47 per bunch. On top of this, I am using my Lauderdale Paper and Balloon Company's balloon inflator, balloon tying tool, 20-pound fishing line, and my low temperature glue gun to construct this whole thing. Alrighty guys, I am ready to start blowing all of my balloons. As usual, I will be pairing my balloons because I'm working with my fishing line. If you will be working or planning to work with balloon strip, then it's better to blow your balloons individually and tie your balloons individually. Alright, so here is what I'm doing. I'm taking two balloons and blowing them at the same time. And I am pressing my balloons against the floor to give my balloons more rounder shape. And tie these two balloons together into a pair. To construct my balloon garland, I am using a 20-pound fishing line. I am taking my fishing line and tying to my first pair. Taking my second pair. right on top of my first pair, pinching my 2 pairs with my fingers, taking my fishing line and wrapping around one of the newly placed balloons. Push your balloons together and pull on your fishing line. Again, around different newly placed balloon, push your balloons together, pull on your fishing line. And that's all that you're going to do to construct your balloon garland. And I won't be focusing specifically on one spot of burgundy and then one spot in green. I will be mixing up the colors however it's gonna go. Just keep working, keep wrapping, keep constructing. Be careful how hard you pull on your fishing line while building your garland, because you can cut your balloons with your fishing line. If you cut your balloon with the fishing line, just start twisting your balloon like a light bulb, and that way you will close the hole and your balloon will stay inflated. To secure your balloon garland, cut a long piece of fishing line. Hold your fishing line with one hand. With your other hand, get the tail and wrap around one of the balloons. And now you created this loop. Take the tail and feed it through the loop. Pull on your tail. This way, you're creating knots. That way, your balloons won't go anywhere. My base is ready. Now, this thing looks like a legit balloon column. If you know me, if you've been following me, you know that I never work with balloon columns and I don't like the look of it. I like more of an organic, flowy look of balloons and garlands. And just, for me, it looks so much better looking organically than just a column. So, I want to reshape this base and kind of play around with my balloons. Balloons will switch spots here and there, and then you'll see it will be so much better. So much better. I'm loving this a lot better now. Hold on, sit. Alright, my balloon garland is on. If you want to see how I hang all of my garlands, I will link a video of commonly asked questions about balloon garlands, and I do show an up close how I hang my garlands on my backdrops and how I hang my garlands using command hooks. If you want to learn, go check that video out. I am ready to pair my balloons. I am taking 2 same size pairs and I am interlining them together in 2 clusters of 4. For every change, woo! Ready to build the rest of my balloon garland using these clusters. I am using my low temperature glue gun and I am just trying to build it, play around, see what looks best, and let your imagination go free. That's your time to be creative. Finishing touches on our garland, so I am taking one bunch at a time. And I am literally just inserting these berries into my garland without gluing. If you're doing this for a client or for your party, maybe you want to put one dollop on one of the leaves and just secure it just in case, you know, you never know what's gonna happen. So I am just taking a bunch and putting it right there, just like that. I'm losing my voice, but look at this beautiful balloon garland loaded with berries. I am so happy with the final result. So satisfied. I loved working with these balloons. Thank you so much, Floridale Paper and Balloon Company, for sponsoring this video. They are great quality. It was a pleasure to work with them. I didn't lost too many balloons. I only lost 2 balloons. And it's not that bad from the quantity of balloons that I have. Here, that's basically nothing, right? I attached everything that you see here on the balloon garland except my berries with the help of my low temperature glue gun. I ended up using 20 stems of red berries and 18 stems of white berries. I just inserted them between my balloons and they do hold pretty well. I would suggest probably glue them down just a little bit, maybe a tiny bit of glue to secure them, you know, to make sure they will not fall down. I will link and list everything in the description under the video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I will share a few pictures at the end of this video as well. Alrighty guys, so here you have it. This is my take on this Christmas themed balloon garland. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any additional questions, leave them in the comment section below. I'll be there. I will try to help you out to the best of my abilities. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share it with family and friends. That's always helpful. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below for more videos and join our creative and super nice family. That's it for today. I hope you'll have a wonderful day, and I will see you back very soon.